In this video, we show you how to glue crystals using the cartridge version of Swarovski Glue CG500 or CG610. Before you start, please pay attention to the safety guidelines in the product data sheet. Make sure that the surface to which you want to apply a crystal is suitable for gluing. The 50 ml cartridges are designed in such a way that the resin and hardener inside do not need to be mixed together by the user. Just attach a dispensing gun and a mixing nozzle to the cartridge. The first 10 centimeters of the mixed glue should not be used because it is not correctly mixed. Put some glue in a syringe and attach a dispensing tip. For dosing the glue, hold the syringe just above the spot to be glued. A proper cavity is recommended. Using the right amount of glue protects the foiling of the crystal and reduces the amount of cleaning. A chaton sieve is a helpful tool when handling chatons. A chaton sieve automatically places chatons in the correct position, with a reverse side pointing downward, ready to be picked up. To avoid fingerprints or other impurities, pick up a crystal using a vacuum pickup system, tweezers, or a plasticine stick, and apply it to the glue-filled cavity. Remove excess glue with a cotton stick soaked in a solvent such as isopropyl alcohol. Let the glue cure according to the manufacturer's guidelines.